Today we're going to be turning this 2007 T5 into a 2021 T6.1. I've already got the parts painted. There's the bonnet. They were white previously. All the parts were nice and white, so it was easy enough to just scotch to prepare, give them a key and paint. Bumper. I've got 2 wings already in the back of the van waiting. I just stored them in there. There's today's helper. You've got 1 bolt holding the wing on, 2 bolt, 3 bolt, 4 bolts. There's another 2 inside the vehicle when you open the door. There's 1 there at the bottom, and there's 1 hiding behind the rubber sheath for the wires. That clip above there, you need to pop the clip off that on the inside and then pull it off. It's connected to the wing. Then for the headlight, we've got 2 bolts at the top. Another 2 bolts at the bottom, holding it on the bracket. Same goes for the other side. Wings the same, headlights the same. Then we've got 4 bolts holding the bonnet, 2 either side on each arm of the hinge. Pull out this grommet holding the pipes for the washer jets. They click forward and then back and out. And then that's all done. Let's crack on with the headlights. Very old, these. I'm doing them a bit slow. These torque bits are rubbish. To break for fun. Doing a great job filming, Jasmine.
It looks like soy sauce.
Does it? Right, now we're going to move for these. Bring the camera down here.
Is this okay?
Let me see. Yeah, that's perfect, Jasmine. Come around. Come on, keep going. Yeah, that'll do. Let me move your arm for you. There, just you hold that there, yeah? Down a bit, down a bit. Stop. Right there, yeah?
Okay. Cut that bit out though when you're telling me.
I'll cut that bit out with you telling me to cut it out. Maybe I'll leave that in for a laugh.
No!
Too late, sucker! This is another stiff one, isn't it?
I really want to go.
What? You want to go?
No! Is it going to fall off?
No, no, no. Right, you stand up and stand back. See, moment of truth. There we go. Simple as that. The headlights out. Let me just get a screwdriver bit. Pop that clip there. Come and have a look at this clip. Pete, not everyone knows. Put a screwdriver in there. Oh, what's your t-shirt? The screwdriver's a bit rubbish for this.
Fly.
Flying high. There we go. And there's one headlight out. Ready for eBay.
Injected with a poison. Injected with a poison. Injected with a poison.
Right, there's a difference here. So the hole is there with that captive like washer screw thing for the bolt to go in, and there's not one there. So what I do is I'm going to drill this, and I'm going to put a riv nut in it, and then I'm going to put a a bolt into the riv nut, a 10mm bolt. So I've drilled a hole. It's not very straight because this wouldn't go in, but this is the riv nut I'm going to use, the size, for the general 10mm bolt. I've put some tape round it because I'm going to give it a bit of acid etch. What Jasmine's kindly shaking there. Can we see which brand it is? Show us the can, the make on it. You pull acid etch. Oh, don't press it down like that. You just keep shaking it. I'm going to put some primer on here, and then I'm going to put this on. Goes off pretty quick.
Oh my gosh, I keep finding money.
Oh, she's rich.
Ah, 5p.
Injected with a poison. Injected with a poison.
I've done this side. I've put the primer on it, and I've put the hole in, and put the wing back on before I've put the riv nut on. It will go through that hole still, the riv nut. The lip will fit through, but I forgot my riv nut gun back at home, so I'm gonna have to go home and get it. But you're probably thinking, why have you done that? Because I thought myself, you don't actually have to do that. You could just drill a little hole and put the self tapper that goes through there, just straight through into the body. It's just me being anal, wanting it to look more genuine, if you know what I mean. I know they have self tappers, but that's going to have a threaded bolt going in there. But it's just the way I want it, isn't it? We all have our own ideas. Wow! Look what Remy's give you.
I said thanks.
Wow!
Milk tray.
Wow!
Share it.
Oh, can we? I'm a vegan.
I promise we can share it.
Bonnet next. This bolt there, that bolt there. Same on the other side. I've just pulled these through. These have to come out, obviously, the washer jets. You just pull back, pop down, pull them out. Same on the other side. And then these plastic things, these slide up and they just pull off.
Injected with a poison. Injected with a poison. Injected with a poison. We don't need that anymore.
Right guys, I'm just offering up the 2021 light. See, it's got the extra bit on because it says T6.1. These bolts, they line up perfectly, but this here, they don't. So I'll make a bracket for that, although the lights are pretty still. I've done one already. I've done a T6, not a 6.1. These are the lights on. Definitely need to make a couple of brackets, because I think what I've noticed is maybe on these newer lights, this bolt, this one, the same one on the opposite light, the shorter the bolt, so they only just grip the thread. Do you know what I mean? Like they need a longer bolt, so I'll buy a couple of nice new fresh bolts anyway. I'll probably give that a lick of paint with the matte black at some point. But yeah, it looks a lot better.
I'll kill you.
It's alright, Jeff.
Give it me.
Stop. Right, so this is the riv nut gun. Here's the hole. Jasmine, come round. Riv nut gun is wank. Riv nut's in now, nice and secure. I have noticed these old headlight bolts that are silver as well. There they are. they'll go in there all right. So I'll use them. They should be fine. Not that one, that's a self-tapper. These here, sorry. They'll be all right. Perfect. Just put these back on. Just two torque screws there. I think the T25s maybe. Last thing to go now, guys, the bumper, and I've noticed something. How the hell does it go on? Something's missing off the top here. Yeah? Because look, on your old one it clips over. Now on the other T6 I did, the grill goes straight over. So I'm guessing there's another piece that I'm missing from the parcel that I bought of the bits. If you want to know how much I paid for the bits, you won't believe me, but look on completed listings, Facebook Marketplace, bonnet, wings, headlights, bumper. I managed to get them all for £390. Yeah, £390. Bargain of the century. But anyway, I'll have to look into the top part of this, but I'll get cracking on for now and get it on the best I can. It doesn't look it even, doesn't even bolt on the same. They have bolts that go through here, you see, that go into these, that hold it on, and then it's held on by the top by 10 mils through there, but I think these just click into the sides on these, like most modern cars. They just go whack it on. It doesn't look like any bolts go through at all. No, it definitely just clicks in the sides. Anyway, let's get going. Sorry guys, I did do a time lapse and it seems to have stopped, but the bumper's on. It basically, rather than having 10 mils that used to go through the sides, it now just clicks on like most general vehicles. All seems to look quite well. I've got these trims to put on for the indicators, which I've got in the car. I've just not put on yet. I'll have a lot of messing about to do with it. I'll have to sort out the headlights so that they work. This, all this silver, I plan on making black, gloss black, but I don't know, I might leave it. I've got these trims at home to put back on and the badge and etc. So we'll take it from there. But for now, we've got it back together and we can drive it back home. So we'll probably pick it up later or tomorrow. Kids. I'm going to put the washer jet pipes back through. The hole is oval, just like the one off the original bonnet for this vehicle, the T5. So therefore, looks pretty straightforward, guys. I've got all the washer jets for this at home, but is it gonna just go in or what? Shouldn't. No reason for it not to. Oh, guys, it looks great. It looks as it should. And that grommet there, what's on that, what's come out, that's even gonna fit into there. There we go. Look at that. Who'd have guessed it? Oh, look at that, they've come to the positions already on their own. So they've gone to where they should go without me even touching them. But yeah, I'll sort them when I get home. Just going to close the bonnet down, pack the tools away, pack up all this stuff here and just throw all that on eBay. Or skip it, which I do not like doing, and I probably won't do, but people seem to want things for free these days. These are the same as T5.1 wings, other than the orange indicator, which you can change if you were that bothered. Bonnet, I have got it all advertised actually on a marketplace. I sold the bumper. That's why the bumper's off the vehicle already. Someone offered me £70 for it. I wasn't going to say no, but I've done quite well with the bumpers off these cars, considering you can pick them up for 99p. The one off the grey one that I sold, what I've done a T6 on, I got £175, which involved me posting it. I made around £140 off the bumper. I was more than happy. So, you know, if anyone needs any of these, and I've still got them by the time I post this video, drop me a message, do a deal. Won't be there.
Now, if we do a really great job on new vaccines, healthcare, reproductive health services, we could lower that by perhaps 10 or 15%. But there we see an increase of about 1.3.
We don't need that anymore. Are you listening to me?